Hello guys and welcome back to Cutie, Shashi and Foodie. Hello guys and welcome back to Cutie, Sassy and Foodie. There are so many people around us who love to do makeup, and when we see those people we say, oh how beautiful, how flawless do they look. But there are millions of those who yet do not like to do makeup, who feel discomfort in makeup, who wanted to try but are skeptical about makeup. And believe me guys, I was one of them before I became flight attendant few years ago. But now I love makeup. I cannot live without makeup. And this video can be a short guide to those kind of people, who wanted to try makeup but who are skeptical about it. This video will help you to know what are your basic products which you should carry in your makeup kit, what are the basics of makeup where you can start with, what are the basic applicators you should have, and so on and so forth. I just hope you guys like this video, and if so, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So before putting on my makeup, I have prepped my skin by using moisturizer, sunscreen and lip balm. You put your makeup or not, doesn't matter. Please do not forget to moisturize your skin, put your sunscreen and lip balm. It's very essential. So the first product which is going to go on your skin is foundation. This is essential in your makeup kit. So you can choose any foundation from any of your favorite brand. Just make sure the shade of foundation is closest or exact to your skin tone. You can choose liquid foundation or powder foundation, it's totally up to you. Now one of the important tool in your makeup kit is Beauty Blender, because Beauty Blender is really a easy applicator tool when it comes to application of your makeup, of your foundation or your base. So to apply foundation with Beauty Blender, the easiest way is apply foundation onto your skin and then dab that product into your skin using your Beauty Blender. So let's apply foundation. I'm going to apply some under my eye. Do not forget to apply on your neck. Apply a little dots onto your face or wherever you have pigmentation. Do not forget a little to apply on your ears. And then I said, by using your Beauty Blender, dab that product into your skin. Second important or essential product in your makeup kit is concealer. You can choose any concealer of your favorite brand. Just make sure that concealer is made for your skin tone. I'm sure that you have seen many YouTube videos wherein YouTubers or makeup influencers apply concealer in a triangle shape under their eyes, and they apply too much. But remember, they have practiced to do that. We are beginners, we are yet learning. So the best way to apply concealer will be a small dots under your eyes, a little on your nose tip and little on your forehead. Now let's put concealer on my face. So as you see, I'm using a little bit of it and just putting little dots on my nose, on my forehead and under my eyes. Now I'm going to use my Beauty Blender in the same way I use foundation. The best way to apply concealer with Beauty Blender will be from the other tip. A little bit. Now let's talk about third makeup essential product in your makeup kit, and that is correcting powder. Now again, you can choose any correcting powder of your favorite brand. I would highly recommend to choose translucent correcting powder because it does not have any base color to it and it's really easy to play around. And now we will talk about second important tool in your makeup kit, and that is powder brush. Some fluffier brush like this, which is really useful to apply your foundation powder or your correcting powder on your face. So I did take little product on my brush, if you can see, and I'm going to dab it under my eye, and for the rest of my face, as I said, I'm going to use it in circular motion. Now the third important tool in your makeup kit will be blush or bronzer brush, which is less fluffier than the powder brush and which makes blush and bronzer application so easy. Now let's talk about fourth important product which should be in your makeup kit, and that is blush. So when it comes to blush, I would recommend to choose something in pinkish coralish shade, because that shade is suited to every skin tone around. The tip to apply your blush, which I learned in my Flight Attendant Academy or Training Center, is you just need to smile like this, and when you see this apple of your cheek, from there just create a tear drop like see. Now let's talk about eyes. So there are three important products which should be in your makeup kit when it comes to your eyes. So first is eyeliner. Nowadays you can get different types of eyeliner in market, but I would recommend to use liquid eyeliner at start because it's too easy to apply, and if anything goes wrong, you can just take it off very easily. Second product is mascara. You can use any favorite mascara of your favorite brand. Just make sure that the applicator is fluffy like this one, which makes application on your lashes so easy. So the third product is eyeshadow. Now I would not recommend to have multiple eyeshadow palettes in your makeup kit. It's totally unnecessary. You can just have a single eyeshadow which will be good on any occasion, which will be good on any dress outfits you wear. You can use it on any makeup look you are going to create. So for the beginners, I would suggest something like this. This is from Maybelline and the shade is Copper Craze. It's a single eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is good on any skin tone. You can create beautiful subtle look with this eyeshadow. Now to use my eyeshadow, I'm going to use my fingertips. Just a little bit on my fingertip, and I'm going to put it on my eyelid. Now I'll show you how to apply your eyeliner. So the best tip to apply your eyeliner will be to start from the corner of your eyelid and then go to the end. There is a thin line, if you can observe closely, where your lash starts. You need to draw a line exactly on that line. And just to show you, this is how I do it. There you go. Let's go ahead and apply mascara. Now, two last important makeup products which are essential in your makeup kit, and those are your lipsticks. So I would recommend to have one dark shade and one nude shade of your choice, of your favorite brand in your makeup kit. So today I'm going to apply this one. This is from Milani in shade Gorgeous. And the best tip to apply your lipstick or your lip color will be, take a reference of the border of your lips, draw a thin line on the border and then fill your lip color. Let's go ahead and do that. And now we are done with our makeup. It was so simple. So guys, try to keep it simple, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If so, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.